I'm in a bit of a hurry. I got to get this done quick. Hey Siri, what are some things that are quick?
Okay, Adam, here's what I found. The Peregrine Falcon, the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, and the ILP QWIKLINK linear strip.
That'll work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CTAC Studios. I'm Adam Roberts, and if you're always in a hurry like me, you'll love the fixture I'm going to show you today. It's called the QWIKLINK from ILP. Here it is, folks. The QWIKLINK comes in 2 and 4 foot sections and can connect for runs up to 64 feet for uninterrupted continuous row illumination with only one power feed, drastically reducing installation time and increasing project efficiencies. And guess what? You'll never guess, so I'm just gonna tell you. It links quickly. Okay, so now that you know that it's quick, how do we link it up, you ask? Well, let me show you. You can directly link them together quickly with the QWIKLINK connector that allows you to do a continuous row, or if you're not trying to do a continuous row of illumination, you can add a 60-inch cable or an 8-inch cable. And these are especially cool if you're trying to create a pattern or turn a corner. And you've got mounting options galore. Ceiling, wall, suspended, and you don't even have to worry about gloomy or dark ceilings. The QWIKLINK comes standard with a 10% uplight. This is achieved with the high transmission frosted acrylic lens. For a stocking SKU, you can order in a Lumen selectable version starting at 1200 lumens on the 2-footer and all the way up to 5000 lumens on the 4-footer. On top of that, you can also order it in a selectable CCT version, 3000 Kelvin, 3500 Kelvin, or 4000 Kelvin. And don't worry, 0 to 10 volt dimming is standard, and you've got 2 battery backup options as well, 5 watt or 10 watt. It has a super sleek design and is only 2.5 inches wide. This amazing strip can adapt to almost any application. It's tough to match this level of versatility, and at 130 lumens per watt, it's one of the most efficient strips out there. For deep energy savings, you can add the QWIKLINK sensor. This sensor can be added at the end of a run, anywhere in the middle of a run, to give you optimal motion sensing. The inline sensor connects quickly with the included QWIKLINK connector, makes it a great option for a stairwell. That's right, you heard it here, folks. The QWIKLINK has field selectable CCT options, field selectable lumen packages, long run links, and you can get up to 130 lumens per watt. On top of that, comes with a 5-year warranty, is DLC premium. The QWIKLINK is a fantastic choice for your next interior linear job. Okay, I told you I was in a hurry, so I gotta get out of here. Thanks everyone, I'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any future videos.